Today we will be reading Little Blue Truck.
Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to the big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow went moo, oink said a pig, beep said Blue. Clock said a chicken, and her chick went peep. Ma, said a goat. Beep, said Blue. Neigh went a horse, quack went a duck, beep said the friendliest Little Blue Truck. Honk! Honk, yelled a dump truck coming through. I've got big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass a day with every duck along the way. Room with the dump truck. Around a curve he saw a puddle and he tried to swerve into the mud, rolling the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy duty dump truck tires were stuck in deep in muck and mire. Honk! Cried the dump truck. Oh, honk! Cried the dump, and the sound scared, but no one even cared. Then into the mud, bump, bump, came the Little Blue dump truck. Little Blue pushed with all of his might. Now Blue, the dump truck, both were stuck in tight. Help, 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 cried the Little Blue dump truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard the beep, and the cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up galloping ran the horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. Then their head came flapping with their chick in the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head, the rump to rump, they pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite punch that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the great big toad? All together, 1, 2, 3, 1 push,
And the truck was free.
Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me. They all helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody screamed and jumped inside. Oink, quack, baa, moo, chick, beep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep.
Thank you, and this concludes our story, Little Blue Truck.